Alright, lesson 12 will be our last lesson in what we call shallow learning, and we will deal with the recommender systems. So let me recap to show you where we are in this course. Well, we started defining AI, and we assumed that machine learning is a subset of AI. And then we can classify machine learning in supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Supervised learning, you give the computer the input and the output, and it's his task to find the function connecting these two. In unsupervised learning, there are no outputs, so the machine needs to find structure itself. And then the last one is deep learning. We consider it as a separate chapter, but basically there's also here a lot of supervised learning. So we could have put it under here, but we want to treat it as a separate subject. A lot of the terminology we'll see here we've already dealt with in shallow learning, so it may go a little bit faster, and I assume I will have about 100 videos on it. What we've done in shallow learning, we started with regression, and in regression, you know, our cost function was mean squared error, and then from there we went to classification, and we looked at all these classifiers here. We did a coding exercise on all of them except the perceptron, because the perceptron is the simplest form of a neural net, and we will be dealing with it here. So now I put recommender systems here. Why do I put it here? Well, because also we're going to use mean squared error here, or alternative least squares, alternating least squares. This is another method which is mainly used for large scale. For large scale distributed systems. Okay, so when we're done, lesson 13, we'll start with unsupervised learning. The chapter will be rather short. We'll mainly discuss clustering with k-means and outlier detection. By the way, we will not do a coding session on recommender systems. And here I've still not decided if we will or not. Okay? And then after that, so I assume here is about 20 videos. And after that we'll go in detail in deep learning, where we will mainly focus on CovNets and computer vision, as well as natural language processing and recurrent neural nets. Okay, so now that you know where we are at this point, we are here, and that's the final chapter. We will deal with recommender systems.